4,
Action.
Hi,
3,
Amy.
2,
Jesse.
1.
Alright,
let's do it.
It wasn't focused on your face.
Spain.
I thought we had Spain already.
I thought so too, didn't we?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I haven't got my sticker in 3 weeks or 3 months.
Jesse, look.
Oh, you stole my book. I was looking for the book.
I know. I was too.
looking for the
I was
book.
too. Put it right here because we're both recording.
Ooh, spicy
Ooh, what is that?
mangoes.
Yummy.
You're excited. I'm not excited.
I want some spicy
Spicy
mangoes.
mangoes. These sweet and spicy mango flavored gummies are fruity with a kick of fiery.
They look good. They look
Wait,
terrific.
I don't know where you're going with it.
And you can have it.
Looks like a makeup sponge.
Looks like a pig meat.
Baby,
It feels like a makeup
Come on.
sponge.
get with the game.
It does smell good though.
Here.
Oh dear Lord, that is weird.
Wait, what?
It's mango.
It does. It does feel like a makeup
Spicy?
sponge.
Mhm.
Oh,
That is weird.
Nope, nope.
Very weird. Did you eat it? Just
No.
taste it.
It's not even that spicy.
this
bite
is the
into
girl who
it.
doesn't like spice.
It's not spicy. It just has a weird sensation, like the sweet heat Skittles.
Yes.
YouTube,
It's good.
the sweet heat Skittles. It's weird.
Yeah, it's pretty
it's
weird.
weird. I'm not a fan.
Take away the spice.
Yeah, I
Who's
didn't
watching?
like that one.
Who's watching?
Huevo frito.
What is that?
Fried egg tasting
Julie,
chips.
did you like it?
Interesting.
Those.
That's what I was like.
Yes.
That says huevo, and then I was like, but why would it say huevo? Those are eggs, and that's like a bag of chips. That's weird.
Egg chips.
Where's my water?
Huevo.
Right here. Amy, will you get me
Huevo
water too?
frito. Fried egg tasting. That is odd.
Oh,
Oh man, it smells like a fried egg
I
too.
just
Really?
need another one too.
Hey, Amy, run over and grab my bucket.
Oh my god, it tastes like a fried egg. It does. Like a legit fried egg.
Oh my god.
These uniquely
Oh.
flavored savory chips are great served as party snacks or served with a sandwich made with a
I could
burrito
put
ham.
them between
I
two
don't know.
pieces of bread and eat it.
I like these.
That tastes like an egg.
It's
I
good
had
though.
eggs for dinner. Does it taste like dinner?
I didn't have egg.
Oh, what'd you have?
I had
I thought you had egg too.
Taquitos.
taquitos.
Some kind of
Oh yeah,
muffin.
taquitos.
Oh man, there's some sort of. Are we gonna win a car?
Maybe.
Oh, can we?
Oh, see?
You didn't like that, but you like
What kind
eggs.
of chips are
It
those?
tastes like
What kind of
egg, but I don't, I'm like
Oh,
you,
stop
don't,
that.
don't want it in my chip, but
Jamon.
We need a house more than a
A
car.
national flavor in Spain, these wavy potato chips feature the salty and savory flavor of ham. Dude, ham and egg chips. We're like having breakfast.
Hey, mangoes counts as breakfast too.
I didn't show the egg chips.
That
Egg
tastes
chips.
like a dog treat.
Look like
how do you know what dog treats taste like?
She ate them.
Eats them. She
like
likes
potato
them.
chips. Like it's legit. It really looks like the legitimate.
Oh, that's
Egg
mine.
whites.
You took that off.
No, but it sure tastes like
Oh my god, it tastes like ham.
I'm eating breakfast.
Yeah.
Like,
Don't mess with my
Legit
chips.
eating breakfast.
oh, I don't know how to do this. Oh, there's the button. Flip the camera. It's like ham and egg breakfast, isn't it? It is. Uh-oh. Mm-mm. Go to
It's
the
like pork rinds.
Ooh,
I'm
yum.
gonna pass on those.
Oh, I love pork rinds.
I don't know what pork.
I don't know what that is either.
Ew.
It's pork, so I'm gonna eat it.
Here you go, Amy.
Pork is my
Pork
favorite.
rinds?
Wait, there's
I don't think I've ever
There's honey
gotten
buns?
pork rinds before.
It smells like chocolate. You can take
What is
No,
it?
I
Whitney
like-
calls them chicharrones or some shit.
These aren't as bad as pork. You should try this.
I got some spicy.
more
Are you
like
ready?
whoa.
It's more like
What is that?
all of them.
This don't taste like pork rinds.
Yeah, it's not the same texture as pork rinds.
It's
Try it.
This is the next
fluffier. It's
Here, we'll try it
fluffier.
together.
It smells sweet.
We'll try it together.
No, it's not sweet, but it's not.
It does smell sweet. Ready? 3, 2.
Ew.
Doesn't taste bad. What is that?
No.
Ew. What is that?
Bread.
See, I like these.
Let me taste.
A crunchy puff pastry topped with a deliciously sweet sugar glaze. Try with your morning coffee.
It's a hard.
So it's like a honey bun.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
Doesn't have nearly enough icing on it for to be a honey bun.
Sprinkle a little off.
Nana says, "Hi kids, I love you guys."
Hi, love you.
Hi Nana.
Nana. Oh, my
Hi.
phone's at 15%.
It
Hopefully we
looks
can
like
get
a
through
old-
this video. Good
Stale
job.
honey bun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Feels like.
garbage.
Oh, the old,
Oh.
old and stale.
Oh, yep. That
I'm
feels
calling
stale. Like, really stale.
Filipinos. We're gonna eat some Filipinos. Is that
Hell
what that
yeah.
says? That's what it says, right?
Yeah.
It tastes like bread. Oh, it got sticky.
Yeah, odd. I like Filipinos.
That tastes different, and I don't like the different.
You always liked them doing your nails better.
Yeah.
Was that racist?
Oh man, these look legit. I'm gonna take two.
Me too.
I'm gonna
What are they?
Oh, they're Filipinos.
Filipinos.
They look like little chocolate donuts.
Crunchy, ring-shaped chocolate biscuits.
Mine's got a heart in it.
the rest of this much.
Mommy,
Dipped in
it loves me.
chocolate. So it's a chocolate. It's a chocolate biscuit dipped in chocolate. That's what it says.
Yum. Or what?
Chocolate biscuit.
So
Sorry.
yummy.
It does look like a little donut. It looks like Samoas without the good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Does it
These are
taste like
good.
Samoas without the good stuff?
No, it tastes better.
I will take one.
Hey, how many you need?
All of them?
Or a
No,
Twix
it's not
without
that.
the caramel.
Here, I'll take 3.
Not cool. Alright, I dropped the phone. It's like a Twix without the caramel.
Yeah.
I don't like it. I need the caramel.
Hey.
What we got here?
Ooh,
No.
that looks good.
Like sixlets on a chocolate.
That's what it looks like.
Cornette. Oh, Nana wants to see your hair. We tied it up last night. She wants curly, poofy, frizzy hair.
Yep.
And that's the best I can do for her without getting a perm. But we might do a perm. I don't know. Amy, say hi to Nana. Say something. She want to see your pretty faces. Faces? How many faces do you have?
Apparently 2. I mean 3. 4.
1,000.
1,000? That's a lot of faces.
On my screen there was 4.
There's her pretty face hiding behind the
Camera.
Randy stuck it on my
Here you
finger. He knows how much I love chocolate. Miss Angie's watching. Say hi, Miss Angie.
Hi, Miss
I
Angie.
just, when you bring me,
What was this one?
Oh, it's got M&M's in it. What?
Yeah,
It's got
six
M&M's.
That
in
one
it.
right there. A
No,
delicious-
Jessie.
Ow,
Did
don't
you
bump
just take
me.
one?
I'm sorry.
A delicious milk chocolate candy bar with candy coated chocolate pieces embedded in each bite. You're a
I
goo.
don't think she said but about 3 words on her YouTube.
That's not horrible. Not bad.
Oh, these are good.
I don't know.
These are really good. Really good.
Is there any
I
more?
like 'em.
Oh, it said golden ticket.
And what?
Oh, it says that on the
M&M's.
book.
I want a
that
golden
was like that in
ticket.
real life.
Oh, no.
Choco cream.
I want a golden ticket.
Con
Can I have some more?
cachitos. I'm sure my Spanish is horrible.
Probably.
Relleno de crema y
This is
troquitos de gallita negra.
Yeah.
Oh, filled with cream and black cookie chips.
It's like to the viewers or something.
What?
We've been learning Spanish.
Yeah, y'all been slacking a lot on Spanish.
Mm-hmm. Can we do French next year?
I don't know, y'all haven't learned Spanish yet.
We're not
I know, but
interested.
I think I would be more interested in French.
Yeah. I've been looking at
Delicious chocolates filled with vanilla, cream, and bits of
Let's
chocolate.
just
cookie.
teach you Hebrew.
What is Hebrew?
Shalom. I don't know. Give me a
Jewish
Mountain Dew,
people's
please.
free pizza.
Yeah, that.
Jewish people.
Julie got.
Jesse's one that needs to learn Hebrew. She's
Oh,
one
did
from
you see
married a
this
Jewish
one?
man.
Yeah, there we go.
A
She's
view
like,
of the whole
don't tell
table.
my secrets to the world.
I can't find the Mountain Dews.
Jesse.
Yeah. Top shelf.
I found them. It's getting a view of the whole table. I'll take that.
That was.
Here you go, Grandma.
What is this?
Get what you want.
I just want to taste. I'm not a big
I don't know
chocolate.
if I like that one.
I don't know. That's pretty good.
Tatiana's watching.
Hi, Tatiana.
Hi, Tatiana.
We miss you, Tatiana.
Angie.
Why don't you take all of it out? Or
Yes, I would love to tag Randy in this video.
You forgot to tag me.
No, I tagged you just now.
Well, I don't think I've gotten the notification for it yet. I like these egg chips.
Yeah, Tatiana, you missed it, I think. But we had
Egg chips.
egg flavored potato chips, and they legit taste like fried eggs.
Eggs, yeah.
And then we had ham flavored potato chips, so it's like we were eating breakfast.
I already have plenty.
Oh, look, and there's, is that a cereal bar?
I don't know Spanish.
That.
Let me
You can
see it.
record it off of my phone.
No, I don't want to record it off your phone. You
Fine,
record it
I'll
off of
record it
my
off of
phone.
yours.
I got too close. Biscuit bars filled with rich milk chocolate and puffed rice and dipped in chocolate.
Yum.
What's
Sounds
your favorite
good.
that I have to?
Does Spain not know about caramels? Somebody should call them and tell them about caramel.
I know, right?
Right.
All of the snack crates we've had caramel in them. At some point.
Hell yeah, Tatiana, I would love that.
What?
What'd she say?
She said, hope to come out with your painting here soon.
Painting.
Because John's painting me a painting.
Oh.
Like a
Oh,
little
That's
bit.
good.
oh, yeah.
Painting you a
I'm
painting?
excited,
That's
yeah.
good.
Just think about
Painting
it.
Sir.
me a painting.
Sir.
Sir.
No.
Yes, I'm right.
I'm looking at your camera.
Amy, I haven't had any.
That's good.
All right.
Egg potato chips. No, Tatiana, they were great. Especially with the ham potato chips.
Yes.
It was legit like breakfast. I always like these.
Hey, Tatiana.
From Vienna.
You should come over and try them
Sounded
before
a
they're all gone.
little French rather than
Maybe
Spanish.
that'll motivate you to come over.
Where are those? Where are those?
Yeah, I'm gonna hide
Was
them.
it that
for
one?
Tatiana.
Yeah. Layers of wafer cookies
What do you
sandwiched
mean?
together with peanut butter, then dipped in rich chocolate. Seriously, somebody call Spain and tell them about caramel.
I know, right?
Somebody tell them, hey, caramel's super easy.
What's the caramel thing? There's no caramel.
Someone's calling Spain right now.
This is.
That's legit too, though. That's pretty good.
How's it going?
That's like a,
Sure. I would
like
like
a really,
some too.
really big Kit Kat.
Hang on, I got the flavor of egg in my mouth. Yum.
You're
I
welcome.
want,
So-
we're gonna get chickens if we get a big
Facebook
enough.
world, the girls think they need chickens.
Yes. Must have to
I
check.
want a black hollow one.
A black hollow one,
Like the
Like
black
Mary's?
chicken, like Mary's. Black
like Mary's chicken. What was that hollow? It was like brindle.
No.
That was
It-
right at first,
it looked
but
like your
now it doesn't
pillows.
taste too good, does it?
Oh, really?
The longer
Yeah.
you eat it, the
Mary, I guess you have a black hollow chicken. No, I'm good. I really want some caramel though.
Black hollow chicken.
Well, you're out of luck. Because I remember these when I was a kid. Aren't these like the whistle thing?
I was
the
gonna say,
whistle
yeah, can't
pops?
you whistle or something?
Jesse.
No.
Melody Pops.
Yeah. that's
Chupa
what they
Chups.
were.
Jesse.
Melody
get me my
I
water?
Pops.
remember these as a kid.
Strawberry. The kids can't have these.
What?
It's an old favorite of Mom and Daddy's, and you can't have them.
Why don't you just break it?
Because then it
It's a
won't whistle.
whistle.
You can't.
Wait, what?
It's a melody
You
pop.
mess it up.
I
What?
guess I could show everybody. You guys remember the whistle pops? They're crazy. Tatiana said you will have fun with chickens. I'm pretty excited. Ginger is like, what the hell is that? She don't. Nope. She said no. Pass.
Do we not get to taste it?
Don't bite it. Play with
Where
it.
did Ginger go?
Experience it.
Tatiana, you
You
remember
will
those?
taste it
You're
as
young
you're
or
playing.
old enough.
No, she's not.
Randy said you're not. Oh, you have more candy?
Last one.
Hurry up, because my phone is dying.
Not,
Mine
here,
is
get-
too, I think.
Dixie.
Like
Hurry up, can I have one?
Picota. These bright red candies
Tell me
feature a
one.
crunchy,
Uh-oh.
sugary outer layer with a soft
If
gummy
they're-
cherry center.
Okay.
Delicious.
Child. I can't open it one-handed.
She said, yes, I am Randy Mason.
Ooh. Why does this look like a sour candy?
Oh,
It looks like a sour candy.
it does. I didn't even show Facebook. I
This
just
is
stuffed it
also,
in my mouth.
Here, I'll try mine.
Can I have one?
It's not gum either.
Nope. You have a whistle pop.
Okay.
Oh, shit. It's chewy like a cherry sour.
Yeah, I know.
I thought it was hard.
I do too.
Oh, man, that's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
These
Bite
are
it.
cool. I wish they have them now.
I feel
Good.
good.
They're good.
It won't focus on you. You guys are being really loud.
All right, guys.
Wait,
I'm going to let y'all hear.
Is there any
so
more
I
of
don't
those?
ruin my phone with all this squealing from the whistle. I'm going to make them go outside.
Ow.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.